Hello everyone, and welcome to the Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer course. And yes, this is the final video for this course. Some of you have been waiting quite some time for this video. I needed to take a bit of a break. I also needed to, decide if I would be teaching the next level of the Python Programmer curriculum, and I've decided, yes, it is a go. So we are going to begin the creation of, and I hope you'll be joining me for, the Certified Associate Level Python Programmer. That's the PCEP certification from our Python Institute. And I thought I would go ahead and just give you a quick look at what we are going to be covering in those domains. Notice when you look at these domains, there's a lot of subjects that we have already covered together. We've talked about modules, we've talked about exceptions, strings, list comprehensions, input, output. Many of these topics we are going to be delving further into in PCEP. Then notice things like packages and object-oriented programming. These are going to be new subjects for us. And really call your attention to object-oriented programming having 12 exam items and making up the vast majority, the largest topic area, 34% on OOP, object-oriented programming, an exciting part of the PCEP course. I really hope you'll be joining me for this next step, but if you are not, I just wanted to thank you right now for taking this entry-level Python course with me. If you're still here listening to my voice, it means you've watched 75 videos of training, and I cannot thank you enough for that dedication. Congratulations, and I hope to see you in our upcoming PCEP course. Thanks for watching.